Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. Today I'm excited to be taking you through yet again another Good Lock model, which I promised and I'm delivering. So if you're subscribed already, thank you very much. If you're not, kindly hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any video that I post. Also hit the post notification bell icon so when I drop a video, you are immediately informed. As most of us are not subscribed even. Let's try to get today's video to 200 likes. You would love me because I'm going to produce as many videos for you as possible to benefit you. Without much ado, let's dive right into today's video. Today, the Good Lock model we're looking at is the clock face. With this, you're able to transform the clock face on your lock screen. Let's go. So you can tap on Good Lock if you have Good Lock. If you don't have, check the top right corner. I put a video there where I can show you how to download for any Galaxy phone that you've got. So let's go. Now, once you're inside Good Lock application, you're going to look for select clock face. Tap on it this way, and you're going to be greeted with a fantastic model. Inside clock faces, you've probably never been here. You're going to see so many clocks. Now, as you look through them, maybe my wallpaper is not doing them justice. I'm going to switch it up, and I'll be back. All right, welcome back. So lock screen changed. Now over here, the first one you select or have selected is face. Now in the clock faces, you can see a plethora of clock faces, like so many you can select from. You want ones that are reading the time out to you? Yes. You want analog ones like this. You want digital ones on top, ones that you're entering text. Other amazing one, bicycle looking ones, glasses looking ones, speedometer looking ones, several. You see anyone you love but want to change something about it, you can do it. You can just come into any of these, even photo ones. Okay, you can just select the one you want. For instance, this, you can tap on it. You can apply it by tapping on this, and it's applied like this for you if you love it. If you don't, just back up out of the lock star, back into clock faces, and then if you want to change something about it, you can tap on edit, and you're going to be greeted with this. You can press on X, and with this you can start playing around with it. Is it the time you want to play with? Is it the time that you want? You can select the time here, change the font of the time that you want. If you want something looking like this, you can have it something like that. You can have it like that, that. Whichever style you want, you can switch it up to fit your preference. Then you can come down and select whether you want a 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock. You can select the type, how it's written. You can select it, the hour hand, the color for it that you want, the colon over there, what you want. So whichever type you select, you can alter it completely. Then come also into the date, and then also alter it the way you want it. So the date, you can find it right there. Here it's a Korean style that is selected. You can select the type that you want. Here's a Korean style selected to fit that very style. If you want this style, you can select it. You're gonna have it that way. Just the Friday, just this, just that. Whichever style you want, change it here. I'm gonna leave it at this, and you can come here, the arrangement you want. You can select it whether you want to arrange that way, or altering everything. Then you can come here, and if you want to change the image here, which is a sticker of a sort, you can come down here and change it to whatever you want. If you want to change it to that, you can change it to a pumpkin. If that works for you, you can proceed to tap on download, and you can download it, and it's going to become a part of your clock, which you can find here. So you see, from face, if you edit the clock, you're going to have it now in mine, and this is now your clock. So if you want to create your own clock, you can also come here, it's plus, and here you're going to create every single thing that pertains to your clock. So you want your clock font to be like this, or like this, like this, like that. Let's say this, I'm going to swipe down and select whether I want 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock. Once I've selected that, if I want it this way, or I want it that way, or I want it slanted this way. In this example, I'm just going to use this and select this. Then the colors, do I want it just like that? The answer is yes. Do I want two different colors? I can do that, or select this, have it that way. Here, there's no colon like you can see. If I selected this option, the colon size should turn on, except that in this case, I don't need it. So we're going to select this one, then come down. The minute, do you want a different color? Yes or no? Then once you're done, you can always hit on plus over here. We tap on the plus. Do we want an analog clock? No, because we're already using the digital one. If you want an analog clock, you can do that. You can tap on analog and then proceed to put an analog clock over the surface, but we need it not. So you can select that and hit on delete. If you want to add something else, you can hit on plus, and then is it a text clock you want to put that's something reading out the time like this? The answer is, in this example, yes. We can use a Korean style, we can use the style, or we can use this. Now note that one thing I'm not doing is I'm not doing all that pinching, but you can. So we can select this, sorry, we can select the first one, increase the size like this, and then probably come here and then move this to the side this way. If this style works for you, you can do that. You can tap on this over there, and then if you want to change the color, you can change the colors also to whichever color you want. In this example, we need it at white. Okay, then we can hit on plus, also come into dates. If we want to put the dates there, the date has been selected here. You can choose the style you want first and foremost. Is it the style? Is it that style, that style, that style, that style, that style, that style? Whichever style you want, you can select it, come down and select the type. So maybe the type is this. I'm going to take that type and put it right under 17 in this example. Then do I want them mounted on each other or written straight? Maybe this way. Then I can come here and then select probably date like this. And then in this example, let's keep it here. All right. Then we can tap again on plus. Do we want to put a specific text in there? You can select text, select different fonts of the text and put that text in there, and also the color. If you want, you can do that. If you don't want, select that, hit on delete, then you can tap on this. Is that an image you want to put there? You can select image, and immediately you're greeted with this. You want to put love emoji like this, you can do that. You can put it wherever you want to put it, probably there. There are several you can select from, so select whichever one you want. Once you're done, you can hit plus again. If you have something else to add, you can add images from your gallery, stickers from here, several stickers from here. You can add them. If not, you can tap out of here, come inside here, and then you can select GIF. Maybe your GIF is going to be something like here. You want to say clock. If your GIF is this, you can select that, reduce the size, and then put it where you want to put it, if that's how you want to put it. Then you can select here, if it's the weather, you can put the weather detail over there. Anyway, so you can play around with all of this, and once you're done, you hit on download, and that's going to save it and put it here. You want to apply it, you tap on it this way and hit apply. Now it's going to bring you here, and you can see what you created. If this works for you, you can keep it by hitting done, and it's done. If it doesn't work for you, Lockstar. If you watch my previous video, on the top right corner here, you find everything about Lockstar. If you don't like it, you can always come and change this one by coming into style and selecting this to change the style that you have, and then done here. And when we come back inside here, we can now go to studio. Where studio, the already generated ones that look like this, the typically watch faces, you can select from here and apply it if you want, and it's going to download and apply it too. There you have it, everything about the clock faces. If you haven't used it before, this is everything there is to know about this model. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, kindly let me know in the comment section. If there's something you want me to do next, let me know also in the comment section. Without wasting much time, I'll see you all in the next video with the next tip, trick, or model. See you all later. Peace out.